Hey guys, it's Danny here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it is a pleasure to join you. In this video, we're going to do a question from the November 2019 Grade 12 Physical Sciences Paper 2. This question deals with an electrolytic cell used to coat a key with silver. Electrode X and the key are connected to a battery and placed in a solution of silver ions. The first question asks us to name this electrolytic process. This is called electroplating, since the key is plated with the silver in the solution. The next question asks us if the key is the anode or the cathode. We know that the key needs to be plated with silver metal, so the silver ions in the water need to gain electrons to be neutralized, and gaining electrons is reduction, and this occurs at the cathode. So we know that the key is therefore the cathode. The next question asks us to explain why silver will be the predominant substance formed at the key by referring to the relative strengths of the agents. So the two substances present at the cathode are silver ions and water, and if we look for these substances on the table of standard reduction potentials, we can find that silver is down here and water is up here, and these substances are listed in order of increasing oxidizing ability from top to bottom. So that means that silver is a much stronger oxidizing agent than water, so it will be more readily reduced at the cathode. The next question asks us to name the material that electrode X is usually made from. So this substance will make up the anode and it will be oxidized, and the substance that needs to be oxidized is the same as the substance that needs to be in the solution and also plated onto the key at the cathode. So in this case, the electrode is made from silver metal. The next question asks us to give a reason why this substance is a suitable conductive material by referring to the bonding within the material. So silver is a metal, and in metals the electrons are very loosely bound to the nucleus of the atom. So effectively you have your positive nuclei in a sea of electrons, and this makes it very easy for the electrons to move inside of the metal and for a current to flow, and that is why it is so suitable as a conductive material. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.